A pretty exciting day today. We thought before we start the day off, we'll go for a swim this morning, which I'm glad we did because it's a pretty hot day. So if all goes right today, in a couple of hours, we may just have running water. So essentially what we're doing is we're setting up like a temporary like water situation, just something to water the plants with, something that we can use for washing, drinking, that sort of thing. We don't have a well on our property yet, so right now what we're doing is we're kind of feeding off Don's well. All this while what we would do is we would go over to his house, and he had a pipe set up outside, and we'd fill our water jugs with that, and that's how we had drinking water, etc. But now we are going to set up a little system so that we have running water in the cabin as well as outside for like watering my garden, etc. So yeah, that's what we're going to be working on today. So fingers crossed we have water at the end of the day. Now, as for the setup, we have a submersible pump inside the well. So it comes all the way from his house. And then we have a pipe going up in there. And this is our Comanche. This is where all the magic is happening, in the woods. So, like I said, pipe from the well comes into this pressure switch, which is connected to this pressure tank, right? Yep.
And this pipe.
And then that pipe is the one that goes to the well. This black pipe you see right here is the one that is going to be going to our house. And we're going to have a little shut off in the end of that pipe. Okay, so this is a pretty cool and a pretty efficient setup. So the pump comes on and fills up this tank over here, and the pressure builds up in the tank, and then the pump shuts off. And then we use the water, and you know, once we've used up a certain amount of water, the pressure drops in this tank, and then it will trigger the pump to come back on. So that's pretty cool. So that way we're not running the pump constantly, we're only running it when, you know, the pressure in this tank drops, which is helpful for us because we don't have a lot of power. We're completely solar, so it's a really efficient way for us to have water without consuming a lot of power. So that's why it's awesome.
I think we got her.
All right, so this is the moment of truth. They're gonna turn the power on there, and we're gonna see if we hear anything. Is it on? Okay. Something's happening. I hear a sound, yeah.
Do you still hear it?
It's very faint now, but there was like a swoosh.
That's what you should hear. See the gauge?
Yeah, it's climbing up really slowly.
Yeah, because the other end's open.
Oh, right.
Stand on this. Now roll it. Yeah. All right, push hard. That's good. Well, sticks in? Yeah. Oh, I left the other two clamps on there.
Oh no.
Don't matter. Gotta let the air out first.
Yeah. Oh wow. That's awesome. Don't waste it.
If you didn't have the camera, I'd choke you.
Carla, you ready for this? Carla, come in.
Maybe that's the trick.
Genius. Yeah, cut the ends off first.
Just put it in the plate.
Kala, come here.
It's a nice day today. Right?
There's something there.
This chicken is so good, Aldo. You did good. You did good. Want some? A little bit, maybe.